Several wanted men are in police custody and 2 illegal guns have been seized as Jamaicans adjust to the state of a public emergency now underway in sections of the corporate area. Business people, churches and residents have also been reacting to the security measure, which will initially last for the next 14 days. We have their story in a few minutes, but first, the announcement this morning at Jamaica House. It's seemingly the new normal, state of a public emergency number 3, this time in
parts of the Kingston Central, Kingston Western, and St. Andrews South police divisions.
Areas affected, sections of OAKLAND, Spanish Town, Waltham Park and DELACREE roads, as well as Maxfield Avenue. Sections of Studio One Boulevard, SLIPE Road, Orange, Harbour and PECHON streets, as well as Ocean Boulevard and Marcus Garvey Drive are also within the boundaries. That means the business and market districts will be affected, as well as communities such as DENHAM, Greenwich, Whitfield and Rose Towns, ARNETTE and TIVOLI Gardens.
These areas and these parts of the divisions have been exposed to gang violence, significant extortion and general lawlessness.
The objective is therefore to degrade and erode the capacity of criminal organizations to operate and control these spaces, to break and indeed challenge the culture of criminality and lawlessness that exists in some communities in these areas.
In St. Andrews South, for example, there have been 106 murders from January to September 15 this year, 1 less than the same period last year. There have been 7 fewer shootings in Kingston Central, which recorded 15 cases. So, why not declare an island-wide state of public emergency? For the Prime Minister, it's not a knee-jerk reaction.
We are using the state of emergency, the powers that are included there, for the erosion of capabilities and the degrading of the capacity of what we consider to be long-term, well-entrenched threats to our public safety, rule of law.
We want to assure the public that those going about their regular business and who are obeying the law have nothing to be concerned about.
But that's little comfort to motorists who have seen long lines at checkpoints in the state of a public emergency in St. Catherine North. Add that to the traffic mayhem in the corporate area due to multiple road construction projects, and there's a perfect concoction of chaos.
I doubt that will be the case.
We ask that as you approach these checkpoints that you lower your windows and during the dark periods, turn on your roof lights. The more visibility the troops have of who's in the vehicle is the less need there may be to stop you and actually check.
Motorists are also advised not to slow down unless instructed to do so.
We are establishing, as far as is feasible, the checkpoints in areas where the vehicles to be checked can be pulled entirely out of the road and not block any of the lanes. And it is our aim to ensure that traffic flows effectively while maintaining the best security control we can. So that is a priority that has been communicated to the troops.